died 1,000 years ago, like all the times before. I'll die again tomorrow. Change the color of my clothes. A body dies and a spirit grows, like Rembrandt, Da Vinci, and Michelangelo. Their souls are still painting in many an artist's studio. The paint's on their palettes still wet. The old masters, they're not finished yet. My body grows tired with age. The labor of years form the bars of a cage. Open the cage. I am not afraid. I'll live forever in the ocean waves. Live forever in the ocean waves. Don't cry. We all die. But the greatness in all of us, from ancient days until today, it never goes away. We live forever in the ocean waves. Live forever in the ocean waves. Recall stadiums of ancient Greece, marble slabs where the runners place their feet. They are alive today on Olympic teams, their spirits still achieving ancient dreams. My body grows tired with age. The labor of years form the bars of a cage. Open the cage. I am not afraid. I'll live forever in the ocean waves. Live forever in the ocean waves. Deep in the soil lies a fertile seed. A young child learns to count and read. Listen to the songs the Spirit sings. Witness the beauty of a bird that has spread its great wings. In the dark of the night is the glow of the moon. The power of nature I will take to my tomb. Don't cry. We all die. But the greatness in all of us, from ancient days until today, it never goes away. We live forever in the ocean waves. Live forever in the ocean waves. The greatness in all of us, from ancient days until today, it never goes away. We live forever in the ocean waves. Live forever in the ocean waves.